This is day one of the ride. This is our accommodation. James, Jimmy and myself all stayed in this sauna overnight. If you can have a look around. In case this one is for the sponsors that think that we have it good. Look at those beds. Bit of a flea pit, but that's alright. There's James. Yeah. Let's just show you this. Show you the bathroom. It's nice, isn't it? Particularly nice shower head with all the electronics, all the electrics all running into that. I'm not quite sure what that does, but hey ho. But it's about 6 o'clock in the morning, and I'll pick up later a bit more on the ride. Bye.
Ese amor llega sin esta manera, no tiene la culpa.
Here comes Desi. Fucking loon. What a loony. He loves it.
Oh yeah.
Al caballo le dan sabana porque es muy despreciado, por eso no te perdono llorar. Ese amor llega así, esta manera, no tiene la culpa.
Keep it going.
Amor de complementa,
Don't stop.
amor del
Filming.
pasado. Ven, Belén, ven, Belén, ven, Belén, ven, ven, Belén, ven, Belén.
Yeah, Michael.
Bambolea, porque mi vida yo la prefiero vivir así. Bambolea, bambolea, porque mi vida yo la prefiero vivir así. No te da perdón de Dios. Tú eres mi vida, la fortuna del destino.
Here we go. Oh, about 10 kilometers to go.
Caballo le dan sabana, porque es muy despreciado, por eso no te perdono ya. Ese amor llega así, esta manera.
Still there.
No tiene
Okay, almost at the end of day one.